Hi, welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunixtech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our latest taxi application 2025 version. In this application, we have added advanced features like level-based earning for drivers and membership features for the drivers and lot of other features. So this is our user application and this is our driver application. Okay, you can see the UX and UI of the application looks amazing. From here you can see the pickup location and you can search your drop location from here. Suppose you want to go anywhere, then you can tab on the destination page and you can see the available history that you have done previously. Okay, and the places that we have searched previously. If you want to search any other location like this, okay, then you can search like this and you can choose the pickup and drop location. At the next page, it will show you the pickup location and drop location with the ride details. You can see the vehicle types available on the application. Right now we have two applications, mini and bike. Okay, so if there are any other vehicles available in the application, then it will show here. Okay, you can schedule the ride from here if you want to schedule the ride, or if you want to book it now, then you can click on ride now. So I'm going to click on ride now and it will immediately send a notification to nearby drivers like this. Here you can see we are getting a loud alarm notification here. Okay, I'm going to swipe up to accept the ride, and this is how our ride is accepted. Now I'm going to swipe up to arrived, and here you can see we have arrived at a consumer location. Okay, so I'm going to start the ride. Before start the ride, it will ask you to enter an OTP. I'm going to enter the OTP 1124 and continue. Here you can see the ride has been successfully started. Okay, now I'm going to complete the ride. And you can see we have successfully completed our ride. You can see the fare and duration of the time, distance, type of ride you can see. Okay, I'm going to complete the ride with the ratings and reviews. So this is how our latest taxi application 2025 version works. If you want to start your own application like Ola, Uber, Rapido or inDrive, then you can contact us, details showing on the screen, and we will see you in next video.